everyone, welcome back to my channel Happy Mind Happy Life. So in this video I'm gonna show you a quick Zoodle recipe. So what is Zoodle? Actually Zoodle is vegetable noodles that's made out of the zucchini. So this is the packet that I bought from the store, or you can buy even the whole vegetable and make a shape like a noodles and then you can cook. So that's the Zoodle. It's zucchini noodles. So for this recipe, this is actually really the easiest recipe and very healthy. It has really some good health benefits, and also it's very low in carb and calories. So whoever is trying to lose the weight, they can definitely try this recipe. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you to make the Zoodles. What do you need? First, that's really optional, whatever vegetables do you like, it's totally up to you. For my recipe, I'm here using some green onions, some enoki mushrooms or the string mushrooms, some chilies, red chilies and the peppers, celery sticks, garlic. And for the protein, you can take anything like shrimp, beef, chicken, whatever you prefer, or even tofu. That would be nice idea. And that's the soy sauce with some chili flakes and the lime juice. So that's everything I need. So let's get started. So the reason it's called the vegetable noodles, because these are the zucchinis and those looks like exactly the noodles. So even look at this, how nicely they made the shape. I have another one, the squash noodles, but today I'm gonna make only the Zoodle. So it's really interesting that you can make the noodles out of the vegetables. So let's start it. First turn on the heat.